Hello guys, welcome back because today we're gonna blow up a mountain with TNT. When I tell Golden to start the match, say hi.
Hi.
He will start the timer. So go ahead over there, Golden, and I'll tell you when. And start the match. Did you start it? Okay. Oh, I see the trail of. I see it. Here it goes. Here it goes. Really? It's not lagging for me. Oh, it sort of is. Oh my God! The mountain's naked. Oh my God. Oh my God. What? Whoa. Whoa. The results were the mountain was naked. The mountain right now, even the timer's destroyed. That's a minor detail that we missed. There's some experience. Okay, but peace out, everyone. Next video, Golden will be here, and we will blow up a couple of trees and a mountain. Peace out.